Alrighty, y'all, we're back here in the Dab Lab, getting ready to do our press here. I got us two bags of weed already made up here. Let's see what they weigh. Zero out the scale here. We got some, looks like 15.58 grams of some sativa we're gonna smash. And we got 18.2 grams of some indica. Alright, let's get started. Got our temperature set at 192, just hovering around 188, 189. I've had the plates on for about an hour, warming up and equalizing. Get our parchment in here. Get our little package made up. We've got our bags bottle textile. There we go. Nice and tight, just like we like it. Alright, we've got our bag centered up in the press. I'm going to come down on her a little bit. We'll let her preheat. She's in there nicely. And that about commences our preheating stage here. So we're going to go ahead and give her the full squeeze. We do got to gauge this now. I've been having pretty good luck with this size bag, right around 1600. We'll take her up right to 1600 psi. And we'll let this go for 2 minutes. I see we've already dropped 200 psi. So one nice thing about having this pressure gauge is we can go ahead, we can make sure we're sticking right at the 1600. As she oozes out, she loses pressure. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, looks like we did have a blow through. puck looks right. It's turning hollow. And yeah, there's our delicious goo that we were collecting. Gram and a half already. Alright, we had 18 something grams going in. We got 2.27 grams back out. Alright. Go ahead and press her over on. We're going to go ahead and get a all new... we'll just reuse this parchment paper. Alright, we got our other pressing parchment paper. Got my other parchment pressing paper right here. And I'm going to go ahead and stick that. Get our bag folded up here. Buds push down. Present style. Alright, let's get these between plates and get this pressing. Take it down, some preheat. Alright. Things looking good. Down for some preheat action. I think this time we're gonna go until we got just the smallest amount of pressure on her, like that. You know, just a wee bit, and then we'll, yeah, just like that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do this time. Keep her warmed up nicely. Let that warm up for a minute here. Alright, let's get into it here. Maybe on this one, a little pressure, press it a little bit lower. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I don't see any breakthroughs on that one, so that's nice. Oh yeah, that's much better Kumasabe. Okay. She feels good and hot, good and hot. That delicious fucking puck. Alright. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Alright, let's get this collected up. I'll work on this a little bit first. Ooh. Ooh, this stuff's shattery. I'm gonna actually do away with our cold plate here. Big old ball. Alright. I want to say we had 15 something going into this. Okay. Side up. And we got 1.76 out. Alrighty guys, that concludes our little video tonight. You have a good one.